Okay, we got a major weather front coming in here, so I got to get some flights off before that stuff shows up. I've already planned ahead, so I'm starting to pack. So I've got to fly the Hornets. I've got my 70mm on tap right now, 80mm on tap for next, then the 90. My burner burned out on that one. Got to figure out why. That's why I like flying my stuff, because I'm testing my own things, and if something goes out, then I'll know what's going to happen, and I can replace it for the customers that have already bought it. So I don't just make the stuff, I fly it, test it, and if things go wrong, I make improvements. So I do this for the love of the hobby, not just for any kind of notoriety or whatever. But if you guys have any problems with the stuff you've got, do like all the other customers that have had issues and call me or text me or send a message, and I'll take care of it. Stuff happens to me too. So if it's happening to you, don't just get upset and be like, oh, well, I don't know what's going on. No, message me. I'll take care of it. I won't even charge you to do it. If it's something that costs you flight time, I'm just going to take care of it. So my big Hornet burner burned out today, and I don't know why. So I'm going to have to fix it. But in the meantime,
throttle cut.
This burner is working. One of my originals. It's working good. So let's go fly the thing. I don't just make them. I don't try to sell a whole bunch. I want people to get something that makes their stuff look real. It's the main reason why I do it.
Takeoff flap.
Love of the hobby. Alright, let's fly like a madman. If you don't know what that is, it's what I'm about to do right now.
China cleared.
Alright. Let's try something I haven't tried with this one yet. Let's do it. Try to get a high performance loop on takeoff.
China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Oh, too low. Don't want to risk it. Didn't get quite enough speed. Come on back down. Turning and burning. Let's get a downwind.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh wow, I don't know if you can see the birds, but there's a major thermal right there. Alright, how many jets do you know of that do good touch and goes?
Landing flaps.
Well, this is one of them. I've worn out the wheels on this plane because I love doing touch and goes with it.
Gear up, flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Over rotation.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, I've been flying pretty hard, so
Gear down, landing flat.
let's bring her in.
30 seconds.
Normally I fly all the way to 4 minutes, but I've been flying really hard, so let's bring it in now, just to be safe.
Flaps up.
That is what you call a madman flying.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Good stuff. This is my trusty old 70mm Cali graphics. Did the graphics for it. It's a little beat up now. Got picked up and tossed around in a 25-mile-an-hour wind a while ago, but she did all this for me. I did the painting, but I got to redo it. As you can see, it's a little weird. But this is an amazing flying bird.
Throttle cut.
Got my burner in there. Have another one I'm going to try in here too, but that's it for now. On to the next flight because we got weather coming.